小豬課室 Piggy classroom.
Hey, classroom.
Let's see what we'll find in this medical kit today. 睇個救護箱裏面揾到啲咩先。首先呢，我哋見到呢個驗眼嘅紙 eye examination。你去眼醫嗰陣時咧，就會見到噶啦。去個 optometrist 嘅時候就會見到啦。When you go to optometrist, they will put out this piece of paper for your eye examination. 就會個眼醫就會叫你讀啲字出嚟，睇下你隻眼咧睇得清唔清楚啦。好啦，我哋睇下裏面有啲咩先。Let's see what's inside. This is a blood pressure cuff. 呢個係血壓計。This is an otoscope. 耳鏡。This is a bandage. 膠布。This is a syringe. 針筒。呢個咧叫做 stethoscope， 聽診器。去睇醫生嗰陣時咧就會見到啦。When you go to the doctor, often they will use this stethoscope to listen to your heartbeats in your chest. 聽診器。最後呢個啦喎。呢個係 thermometer 探熱針 thermometer 探熱針。咁樣係發燒啦，所以有個 sad face. There's a sad face because when you have a fever, it's not that fun. 探熱針 thermometer。
小豬課室